Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Taurus, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. Taurus, and if you want more clarity or if you have some doubts or confusion, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have after this general energy, guys. So stay tuned for that reading, guys. Taurus, so let's start with these cards here. We have 7 of Wands in reverse, 8 of Swords in reverse, and Lovers. So with these cards, guys, these may be for your career situation, guys. These cards may relate to your career situation or your personal life, guys, your relationship. So with these cards, guys, maybe in your situation today, Taurus, there are maybe certain circumstances you feel really embarrassed, maybe embarrassed because you are unable to keep up your word or keep up your promises, or embarrassed because of some mistakes that you did, and you are simply regretting that you made that choice or or you did something. So some kind of worries or stress because of that, guys. And Taurus, today in your career or it may be in your personal life, you have you have that emotional satisfaction, some kind of happiness. You are maybe working together with people. So if it is something in your career situation, you have made a partnership or you have found the right person to work with, collaborate, and you are making the right choice today, guys. Maybe you had troubles making that decision, but today you are making that important decision, and you are doing the things that you love to do. Maybe whatever you are really passionate about, you are going for those actions, guys, in your career, maybe. Or if it is something to do with your personal life situation, you have found the person you love, you are happy with them, you have that satisfaction, contentment, and you both share mutual love, care, and understanding. So things are going in a positive way in your relationship, guys, or a positive way in your career, but certain difficulties in your it may be vice versa, guys. We have a few cards that are negative and cards that are positive. So career, you may be happy, or in either in career situation or in your life you are quite happy. And I also see that in your situation there are some sudden changes, some drastic changes, and maybe this person you love, they are leaving you, guys. They are moving away from you, or they are moving away for work, or they are shifting their residence, maybe because they have work in some other city or a place, or it may be they are taking a break away from you and they want a break away from you, guys. That may be the reason. Or it may be someone close to you, your close friend or a relative, they are moving away, or it may be some kind of an accident also, guys. So you can expect some changes in your situation, guys, some drastic changes, Taurus. And let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have 7 of Cups in reverse, guys. So with this card in your situation, guys, Taurus, maybe you have some desires or you are hoping for some changes. So that is going to happen here, guys. Maybe you wished for this break away from this person, or you sensed that you need a break in this connection. Maybe the reason, maybe you want to step back, think clearly, then take the next step. Maybe you both have some differences and you want to work it out, guys. So this may be the right time for that, Taurus. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It is Strength. So in your career situation, you have that willpower, determination and courage, guys, to make things go in the right way. You are working hard and you are making lot of efforts. So that is the reading with these cards, Taurus, for your general energy. If you are interested, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card, this is your second card, and this is your third card. You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds in silence, then open your eyes and choose the card, or we have these crystals. So we have 3 crystals. You can either think with the cards or the crystals. So go for that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card for you all after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep these cards aside. So for those who have chosen this card and this crystal, let's see what it is. It is Sacred Convergence. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, in your life now, right now, there is a great progress happening, guys. Something that is helping your soul to grow, or there is some kind of divine awakening. So you are asked to drop the barriers or defenses you have towards the people you feel good with. Maybe there are friends and family members you feel really comfortable with, happy to be with. And however, there are few people who are maybe inspiring you in a negative way. They are involving you in some kind of a blame game, trying for that manipulation, something that is dampening your spirit or dragging you down. So you need to step away from that, guys, and you need to feel nourished when you are with people you love, and share yourself without fear. Just be without any plans. Just do your part. Everything is going to happen at the right time, guys. And there is a great spiritual gift being presented to you now, guys. And this oracle also comes with a special guidance that there is a possibility of a very positive relationship happening today in our situation, guys, and growth of love. So just you need to make that choice. Trust yourself and your intuition, and then make the choice. So that way you will get lucky. You will find the person you simply love to be with whom you feel really nourished and happy. So that is the energy, guys. So maybe for some of us, when we step away from people who have a negative impact on us, we are going to lose many people, and there are just going to be few honest, truthful people in our situation. But we need not worry. These people are our soul family, guys, and they are going to nourish our souls, make us emotionally complete. So that is the reading, guys, with this card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the reading with the second card. This is your second crystal and this is your second card, guys. So it is amber. So with this crystal spirit, it just means that whatever lessons that we have learnt with our experience, our past experience, we always have a choice in our relationship whether we can stay or move away, to learn, to grow, or to move on to a new relationship. So if you want a different kind of a relationship and if you want it next time, you need to understand what went or what happened in your past relationship, guys. So those lessons or that wisdom is going to help you to avoid repeating the pain again in this present relationship or in your future relationships. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to go for that wisdom or learning in your situation today or in your past, whatever you faced. You should try and learn that lessons, whatever happened to us, so that way we will not make the same mistakes again. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who have chosen the second card, that is the reading. So for those who have chosen this crystal and this card, let's see what it is. It is the poisoned apple, jealousy. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in your situation there is something tempting you, something which looks like a gift, wrapped up like a gift, but in truth it is a poison, guys, poison for your soul. So you need to think again and again before accepting that gift. So you need to refuse what is being presented to you, guys. Maybe it may be in the form of a relationship or it may be in the form of some offers or opportunities. So you need to find your own way to power, knowledge, to love and wisdom. But if you have accepted that poisoned apple, do not be afraid. You will recover, guys, but the pain you go through is going to give you that gift of experience and clarity in your heart about your relationship, guys. So you are going to change for the better with that learning. So maybe it is time, if you can avoid, it is time you need to be very careful, guys. And you need to examine the sources of your information and ideas when you are getting some from people. And you should not have too much trust on anyone or in any given circumstance. You should think twice before you step into some important decisions today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. If you like this reading, I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.